Alright, here we are guys, back again with the second video for the second page for ratio and proportional relationships part of your review packet. We're going to do problems 5, 6, and 7. We're not going to do problem 8 because that is a simple interest problem which we no longer teach in 7th grade. It was moved into 8th grade. But if you're feeling that you can solve that, by all means go ahead and solve it. That's completely up to you, okay? Alright, so let's get started. Number 5. Carmen sells electronics. She made a 10% commission on every dollar sale that she makes. So every dollar she gets 10% of that dollar. Okay. 1 month, Carmen got a commission check for $2,500. What were her sales in dollars for that month? Okay, so let's get started. Let me erase all this right here because that was from the last video. We don't need all that. All right, perfect. So, sorry, my wife's texting me for work. Okay, so she makes 10 cents she makes 10% commission for every dollar. Okay, so $1, 1 is 10%. So we got to figure out what is 10% of $1. Well, 10% is 10% out of 100 is just 10 out of 100. If I simplify that, that's just 1 out of 10. Okay, so we got $1. $1 is going to equal 100%. Okay, we need to figure out what 10% is of that. So we got to figure out what x is. Okay, so remember butterfly method. When you butterfly, you must multiply. Okay, you butterfly, you must multiply. Now that's ugly, but it is what it is. I can't do so much on this with his mouse because it's kind of finicky. Okay, so we got 1 times 10%. Okay, so I want you to figure out what 10% of 1 is. So pause video and come back when you think you have found the answer. All right, 10% of 1 is going to be 0.10. In terms of money, that is 10 cents. So every dollar that she sells, she's going to make 10 cents. Pretty good deal there. I would definitely take that deal if I could, especially trying to sell things. Okay, so she's going to make 10 cents on every dollar. All right, but she's getting a check for $2,500. So we got to figure out, well, how many times will 10 cents go into $2,500? And whatever that is, that's going to be our answer for how much that she sold. Okay, so we're going to take 2,500 and divide it by 0.10. Pause the video now and determine if you guys have can figure this out, or if maybe you've done this wrong, go ahead and make your corrections and figure out what 2,500 divided by 0.10 is. Okay. All right. So 2,500 divided by 0.10 is going to be $25,000. So Carmen had a pretty good month. She sold $25,000 of product, whatever that is. Could be furniture, could be jewelry, could be whatever. Okay, so she made she sold $25,000. And the measure is money, so put that dollar sign in front of the 25,000. Okay. All right, moving on. Number 6. The price to download a digital book is $6, and the sales tax is 5%. What is the total cost What is the total cost to download a book plus tax? If not the 2 between the cost and the download words there. Okay. So what is the cost to download a book plus tax? So we got to figure out. We got $6. One book's cost that much. Well, we got sales tax also. We got to add sales tax on top back to the $6, but we got to figure out what is 5% of $6. So we're going to take 6 and we're going to multiply it by 5%. Okay, this also looks like 6 times 0.05. Okay, that is a 5, not a 6, not a 6. There. Okay, so take a minute now, figure out what that is. 6 times 0.05 is going to be 0.30. Take this amount here. So we know that sales tax is going to be 30 cents. $6, sorry, $6 was the original price. This is the sales tax amount. Sales tax is always added back to the amount that you pay for an item. So this amount is going to be $6.30. Okay, so this is going to be the cost to download the book plus tax. Okay. All right, number 7, last one. I'm gonna go ahead and mark out number 8 because that's something I'm not too worried about right now. But if you want to go back and solve that, go right ahead. Regular price for a sweater is $48. The store is having a buy one get one half off sale. If you buy 2 sweaters for that price, what percent discount is that? So normally you'd probably think, well, that's 50, Mr. Craig, that's 50%. Well, no, not necessarily. You're buying one at full price. You're buying another one half off. You're getting that one 50% off. But it's not going to be, that's not a percent discount. We got to find the percent discount for both sweaters. Okay. Let's go and figure out how much they were to pay for 2 sweaters without the discount, and then figure out how much they will pay with the discount. Okay. So we got 2 sweaters paying $48 for each sweater. Okay. So 2 sweaters, 48 times 2. Okay, 8 times 2 is 16. So bring down that 6, carry that 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So they're going to pay $96 without the discount. Okay, pretty expensive 2 sweaters. You know, really, I mean, I guess about retail price. You know, that's probably pretty normal. Okay, all right. So let's talk about the buy one get one half off. Okay, so let's go ahead and figure out uh, what half of 48 is. Okay, so 48 divided by 2. Okay, well, let me bring this. I'll tell you what. Let me write this over here. I don't want to cover up the problem. So we got 2, and it goes into 48. 2 goes into 4 twice. We know that much. 2 times 2 is 4. So we get the 0 there. Bring down that 8. And 2 goes into 8 how many times? Well, it goes in there 4 times. Wow, that's ugly. 4. 4 times 2 is going to be 8. 8 subtract 8 is 0. So 24 is going to be the amount you pay for one sweater. So you're going to pay $48 for one sweater. And then the second sweater you buy is going to be $24. Okay, so add this up. 8 plus 4 is going to be 12. Bring down the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is going to be 7. So $72 is what they're going to pay with the discount. Considerably less amount of money than they would have paid if they had bought those sweaters without the discount. In fact, $24 less. Okay, so $96 subtract 72 is going to be 24. That's the discount. That's the amount of change. Okay, remember this is a change over original problem. Okay, this is how we find percent discount. Change divided by the original. Okay, the amount of change between 96 and 72 is 24. Before the discount, it was going to be $96. That is the original amount. Okay, so we're going to take that, divide by 96. Okay, so 24 divided by 96. If you will, take a minute now to figure out what that amount is going to be. Okay, what that decimal is going to be. Then we'll convert that into a percent once you figure that out. Pause the video, come back when you're ready. All right, 24 divided by 96 is going to be, as a decimal, 0.25. Okay, as a percent, we move that decimal 2 places to the right, or you can multiply by 100, and you get 25%. So the percent discount is going to be this amount here, 25%. Okay. That does conclude our video. If you have any questions, just be sure to email me or comment in the section below. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. And again, any questions, just comment. Thank you.